This is a story all about how Hamlet's life got turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how Ham's dad died and his mom didn't care. He came back from the funeral all in dismay, although Wittenberg is where he spent most of his days, and the guards were all playing and acting all cool, till they looked and saw a really freaky ghoul. He wanted Hamlet, he was up to no good. He said there was a murderer in the neighborhood. Hamlet was pissed and revenge he declared. He said, I'll expose him at the play because that's only fair. Clyde had a plan to make Ham conspire. His mom was on board and she encouraged the guys. But Ham cornered Mom and told her she was wrong. Polonius is there and he stabbed him. He's dead, this is badass. Claude got Ham sent away first class. He had a plan to kill him, but Ham saw right through it. Ham said, this is how I'll do it. Ham came back, his fine friends were dead, but Laertes was pissed. Ham's gotta die, he said. Claude thought so, and he got a plan. Got a poison cup and a sword to kill that man. Ophelia was dead, and after the funeral, Laertes found Hamlet, challenged him to a duel. I ain't trying to fight, man. I just got here. But Hamlet really wanted to fight, so he did. Laertes poured a poison sword and stabbed himself instead. Then Hammy's mom drank the cup and was dead. But Hammy had a cut, he was gonna die too. He said, Claudia, before I die, I'm gonna kill you. So that was the story all about how Marvin Hunt taught us what we know now. So thank you for your time and for making us laugh. We won't forget you even when we are grads.